Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. That you can always keep in your freezer for unexpected guests. Very easy to make. And delicious. I want to share the mosaic cake recipe. To be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell. First, I melt about 100 grams of butter or margarine and transfer it to a mixing bowl. I add 4 full tablespoons of powdered sugar. I add 1 glass of milk. I add 3 tablespoons of cocoa and mix well with a whisk. Then, I break 2 packs of petit beurre biscuits on top. 2 packs, which is about 350 grams. I add about 1 glass of coarsely chopped walnuts. You can also use hazelnuts instead. I mix it well, making sure not to crush the biscuits. Then, I spread a freezer bag inside a springform pan. I placed it into the mold. I smooth out the top. I covered the top with the bag. I gently press it with my hand. I let it sit in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. So it takes the shape of the mold. At the end of 3 hours, I unmolded my mosaic cake. I decorated it with melted chocolate. I sprinkle coconut flakes on top. You can also decorate it with coarsely crushed walnuts or hazelnuts. You can also serve it plain. My mosaic cake is ready to serve. I hope you all try it and like it. To be informed about my new recipes, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell.